Begin with an open and clean microfiber cloth. Fold the microfiber cloth in half. Fold the microfiber cloth in quarters, resulting in a square shed pad with 4 layers of cloth. Clean surfaces with the 2 exposed sides of the microfiber cloth. Track these sides used for each surface while cleaning. Open microfiber cloth once to change sides. Refold to expose the 2 fresh cleaning surfaces. Track the side used for each surface while cleaning. Open the cloth fully once the 4 sides have been used and expose the 4 fresh sides. Repeat these steps to use all 8 sides. Remember, never place a used cloth back in the pail due to the risk of cross-contamination. Always place used cloths in the linen bag for laundering.